HBQ-715 Intelligent Flexible Assembly Machine for Fuse Boxes and Relays. The interface is concise and elegant, supporting switching between multiple languages. Start the program by scanning the code. Intelligent Visual Recognition. Equipped with a fully automatic scanning sun-D vision system. Install the connector, busbar. Independent start button. Insert the busbar into the connector. Laser marking. Automatic unloading of finished products. Foot switch controls the transmission of finished products. Supports quick change of carriers. Product model change. Equipped with an online projection image measuring instrument. Vibratory ball feeding. Mechanical arm assembles terminals. Safety greeting ensures operational safety. Quick and arbitrary change among 12 product models.